New coilovers are on, guys. I know I talk bad about canyons and I really hope nothing happens. I'm just gonna do a short little canyon stint because that's the only way I know how to test these without on the track. So fingers crossed nothing happens. I'm not gonna do a full run, just a little half run or something there and back, but let's go ahead, warm up the car. I need to clean the windshield, I forgot, but. So before we hit the canyons, I just want to give you my first initial thoughts. Now that the car's in line, it drives a lot better, of course. But I noticed, like on the freeway, it's kind of wavy, bumpy-ish. But it's just because my oil suspension was so worn out and so broken that everything was just like bone jarring, jostling. Every little bump you hit, everything just sent a chill through your spine. And now this time, the coils just like absorb and roll right over it. So I mean, this is what happens when you get working coilovers. It actually does its job, and you can feel the difference. It's pretty crazy how long I was driving on the ISCs that were completely seized up on the dampening wise. And now this one, just street driving, I can tell just from like hitting the bumps how the car handles is gonna be a lot different. And that's why I'm interested to take it out to the canyon real quick. And I definitely know it's going to be a huge improvement on the track. To tell you what specs I got, so I got -3 camber up front and -2.5 in the rear. I used to be -2.8 in the front, and I was 2.5 in the rear, so I left the rear the same. Put a little more up front. Cannot wait to test them out on the track. That's really where these things are going to shine. A lot of bikers out already. It's only 8 a.m. too. Yeah, it's definitely bumpier, stiffier, I was gonna say. But it's stiffer, but not jostling, like I said before. But yeah, you definitely pick up more bumps. But this car just feels planted now. A lot of these corners right here are out camber up and overs. The car just feels solid. I'm not really pushing the car either. You guys can hear I'm not even opening up the wastegate really. I'm on my street pads too, so these Stop Tech Street Sports have good initial bite, but then they fade out pretty quick. Oh, car just dives right in. Oh yeah, this is gonna be amazing on track for sure. Here's the car. Let me show you guys in the sun. Now, with the more camber, it doesn't sit flush to the fender. As you guys can see, it's a little more in. This side's not as bad, but that's just something new. It doesn't really bother me, but it's definitely lower in the front. It's about not even a one finger. I can't even get my, it's like one finger flat, where it used to be one finger straight in. In the rear, it's about one finger straight in. I think it used to be almost 1.5 in the rear last time, but I love how it sits right now. You can definitely tell it's a little more slanted forward, but no biggie. Like I said, -3 in the front, -2.5 in the back. 0 toe all the way around, basically. Yeah, it looks great. Super happy with how it turned out. I guess if you guys need an alignment, wheel balance, corner balance, anything like that, hit up Elite Performance. They're in Peasantgang. Gary, he did it. He did great work. But yeah, cannot wait to do this thing on the track. I will definitely be looking for a track day, possibly before August 14th. But now California has that thing where Gavin Newsom said everything's closed now, so or reclosed, so no more dining in, stuff like that. So I don't know if that's going to change any other things, but if I can get a track day in before August 14th, I definitely will. It's a little hard because I am going to Utah for about a week to go mountain biking. But yeah, mountain biking definitely helps fill the void of track days. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. If you like this video, please smash that like button. Really helps get the views out there and gets the video just for publicity. So it takes less than a second to hit that like button. I know you guys